They say I used to run so fast. Now I'm letting seasons pass. Ask me if I miss the noise, the crowded lanes, the louder toys. Don't you miss what you had before? Open doors and something more. Don't you feel like you stepped aside, letting all that motion slide? They're asking from the life they know. They're measuring me by what they hold. I've been sanding off the normal. Let the splinters show the pain. If it's smooth, it isn't honest. I'd rather go against the grain. They ask if I miss Walmart aisles, endless rows and plastic smiles. If I miss the rush of more parking lots and sliding doors. But I was pacing in those lanes, boxed in hours, familiar chains. They call it comfort, call it gain. I call it living in a frame. What they call loss, I call release. What they call less, I call my peace. I've been sanding off the normal. Let the splinters show the pain. If it's smooth, it isn't honest. I'd rather go against the grain. Up with the open sky, no scoreboard left to justify, no race to win, no lane to choose, no borrowed dreams I have to use. I found a quiet I can keep, a kind of calm that runs this deep. They ask what else I might have lost. I tell them I can't afford the cost. I've been sanding off the normal. Let the splinters show the pain. If it's smooth, it isn't honest. I'd rather go against the grain. Peace I own was worth everything I lost.